Hello everyone, my name is Sami Akhtar. Welcome to another video where I show a case study of one of our done for you client. So this client have launched the product and it has not been more than 30 days yet. It's been just 14 to 15 days that they have launched the product and it is getting more than 10 orders a day. Now that is quite interesting because the ACOS is at 15% right now. With such a lower number of reviews, their ACOS is at 15% and they are really profitable from the start right now. So let me just show you. Obviously, not all the count will be similar because we give them forecast sheets, and based on the forecast sheet, we also estimate how much loss we are going to make in the first week, second week, third week, fourth week. So not all product are profitable from the first. Also, there are some products where we may have to wait until 8 weeks to be profitable, depending on the competition and if the client wants to go for that. So in our done for you program, if you don't know what is our done for you program, in our done for you program, we do everything for the client. We do the product research. We suggest the client the product that they need to launch. We make sure the product is good and we do the validation of the product. We suggest 5 products every month to the client. We do the listing. We do the product launch for the client. We manage the ads and we make sure that the product ranks for each and every keyword that is responsible. And you also give them forecast sheet, which is the estimation of where and how much they're going to invest in every week and how much loss or profit they're going to make every week, which is the estimation. Obviously, this is the estimation. We don't guarantee this is the result that they are going to get because we make our decision based on data and we make sure the client gets the best out of it. So if I just share my screen right now, let me just present and share the screen right now. So here you can see I have been logged into the account, and obviously these all are launching with single products. Here you can see before this they don't have any sales. August they have started, and then you can see 44 units they have sold in the whole entire month August. Then in this month you can see 194 units in just 14 days right now. It's just 14 days, and even the 14th September haven't yet ended. So they have sold 194 units, and if I just show you the revenue, you can see in August, they did around 9,000 rupees. Obviously, they have sold for a couple of days in August. Almost it was around 4 to 5 days they have sold in August, and then we got into September. So here you can see in September, it is just mid of September, and they have already crossed 45,000 from a single SKU, single product, and they are really profitable. Let me just show you. Let me just go to the advertising dashboard because maximum expense when a product is launched is been taken by the advertising. But for this case, if I just go to the advertising dashboard, which is being loaded right now, let me just set it to, let me just set it to last 30 days. Here you can see last 30 days, the ACOS is at 15.83%. They have spent 3,000 rupees. They have received a sale of 23,000 rupees from ads, and their total sale was around 45,000, I guess. So obviously, they're doing really good. And this is what I needed to show you. This is a single product that they're selling that is not even more than 14 to 15 days that they have launched, and the reviews are really low in this, obviously. So we are slowly raising the prices with adding up more reviews, and that is what we are going moving forward with the strategy to rank more keywords. And if you are someone that is looking to get into our done for you program, which is not open right now, our done for you program, we take 5 clients every 6 months, and we try to get best out of it. So if you're looking to get into our done for you program, there is a form below, a waiting list that you can join, and make sure you fill that up so that we can let you informed whenever it is open next. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in next video.